So we're making this video so we can become cool. You know, because we're so amazing we can eat our own tampons.
I just want to eat this.
It's gonna get
I want
so many
likes.
likes.
Here's our cup of waters, because, you know, this is a gourmet meal. And then we have to have music.
Of course we do.
So, hopefully, you know, we're cool.
Hopefully we get a lot of likes
Yeah,
for this.
so,
We're going to be internet sensitive.
Because
I'm
eating our
just
tampon makes
gonna,
us amazing like that.
take out mine.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna, I'm gonna eat it.
Oh my god, I can't believe we're doing this.
Do you see this chunk of, like, do you see? That is like a heavy
Did you
flow.
bite it? It looks like you bit it.
It was like that.
Dude, I can eat this, it's so cool.
I need water.
I ate it all. It is gone. I devoured it. So,
Mine's gone.
if you think all of those girls are stupid for making this video, like for our stupid video.
this
We
was,
have no lives.
this was not real.
So,
Just letting you guys know.
you know, jam and raspberry syrup makes us cool on the internet apparently now. So,
Oh, yup. Bye.
bye.
Deuces.